This is our dog Chewy, and this is his favorite toy. It's called the Talk to Me Treatball. It's actually pretty cool. Watch, you ready? You ready, boy? You ready, boy? Go get it. See, it's got treats in the middle of it. When you roll it, the treats roll out. And you can record your voice on here. So when we're not at home, he has something to play with that sounds like us.
Right now there's a squeaker toy that we put in there. Not in there, but on the recording. But he's still eating a treat. No, he barks at it. He loves it.
Come on, Chewy.
He's too busy eating that treat. I'm gonna take another shot. I know.
Chewy's a slow eater. Come on, Chewy. Come on, boy.
Don't let him get it out. 'Cause he'll,
Let him get it out.
yeah.
Okay, how does...
Like that.
Get it, boy. Get it, Chewy. Get it, boy. Keep him busy for hours. Eventually a treat will roll out of there. There we go. There you got one. Good boy. Good boy.
Bye, Chewy.
Bye, Chewy.